Android Studio has a feature that allows you to update an app that's already running on a device without restarting the app in certain circumstances. To demonstrate this, I'll create a new Android Studio project, and I'll base it on the basic activity template. If you simply change a literal string or a little bit of code, in many cases, you can apply those changes. I'm going to run this application and show that when I click on the floating action button in the lower corner of the app, I see a message displayed. It's called a snack bar message, and right now it's just the text replaced with your own action. Now, in my code, I'll change this literal text to the real message. On the toolbar, there are 3 buttons for launching the new code. Run App means restart the entire application. Apply Changes and Restart Activity does a little bit less work. It doesn't restart the entire application process, but it does restart the current activity. And then the simplest one is Apply Code Changes. And this feature is the one that tries to update the app without disturbing anything else. I'll click that button, and if the changes I've made qualify for this feature, I'll be able to go back to the app on the device, execute the function again, and see the update. Now, if you make a change that doesn't qualify for that feature and then you try to use it, you'll be told, I'm going to take this string and extract it as a string resource. I'll call the resource my message. And then I'll try to click the Apply Changes button here. And this time, instead of applying the changes, I see an error message displayed. And it's telling me that if I modify resources, I have to at least restart the activity. So I'll click on this button, Apply Changes and Restart the Activity. And this time I'm told I need to restart the app. So I'll click on this button, and the app is restarted. The functionality is the same, but now the text is stored as a resource. Another situation where you really have to restart the app is if you add methods. So for example, if I select this bit of code and choose refactor this, and then say I want to extract that code as a function, I'll call this configure button, and then I try to click the Apply Changes button again. Once again, I'll see the error message. So there's a limited set of circumstances where you can use this feature. But if you simply change a tiny bit of code or a literal string, frequently you'll be able to save the time it takes to completely relaunch the app on the device.